Hello guys, today I'm going to cook one of my menu food. This food called khuushuur. So I have here a 3 serving recipe. Ground beef, half onion, salt, sea salt, and flour. So this is for today 3 serving recipe for khuushuur. I never measure the salt. I just check, see how much salt we need. This salt enough for this. Okay, ground beef, green onion, garlic, and salt mixed together. These ingredients ready. We have to wait 5 more minutes for flour. Flour is not ready, but have to take a rest for the meat. Taste better. Take a rest 5 or 10 minutes better. Okay, this part is pinch the khuushuur, half meat, and like this. Make sure pinch. Be careful the air finish or end of this one, because you will be fry a little bit, make it flat, and then khuushuur like this. So this process heat up the oil. I'm going to use the canola oil, just my cooking fan, ready to heat up the oil. Okay, khuushuurs are ready for fry. Okay, make sure oil is supposed to be heat, ready to fry. This one, this oil looks like ready. Yeah, oil is good. Heat up together. Frying process. Put some khuushuur. Then supposed to fry. Color should be golden yellow. And then when khuushuur ready, you will see that it will blow up. And then mixture fry two sides like this. The khuushuurs are ready. When you cook after that, you have to fry up the oil a little bit. Then after you put the heater, make it get it warmer. Okay, time to test khuushuur with spinach salad. I use my hands.